Struggling to create multiple letters for different recipients? Do you want to make your life easier? Stop wasting your time manually creating and saving your documents. Move! Give way! Mail Merge is on its way to shine.
Mail Merge helps you to save more time and to make it easier for you to create multiple documents at once for different recipients. It is commonly used to create letters, invitations, certificates, application forms, and many more.
In this video, we are going to show you the steps on how to use Mail Merge. We will be creating a cover letter for a job application as a news correspondent. Step 1. Open your Microsoft Excel and create the list of your recipients. In this case, we prepared the list of the network's name, the exact address of the network, and their contact number.
Step 2. After creating your list of data file, save your file.
Step 3. Open your Microsoft Word, then create the body of your letter. As you can see, there are default text present on the letter. That is what we are going to merge with the data we created earlier.
Step 4. On the upper part of the MS Word, just click the Mailings tab, then click Start Mail Merge, then select Letters.
After starting the Mail Merge, just click the Select Recipients, then select Use an Existing List. After that, all you have to do is to locate the Excel file that we created on Step 1.
Select the file and click OK for us to merge it with the document.
As you can see, nothing has changed yet. So for Step 7, click Insert Mail Merge Field. When you click it, the name of the title per column is now visible. The next thing you will do is to highlight the specific text you want to merge with the specific data you created.
For example, in this case, I'll first highlight the network's name. Select the Insert Mail Merge field, then click Network's Name. We just need to do that with the rest of the text we want to merge.
Now that we have already merged the documents, for Step 8, you just have to click Preview Results for you to see the outcome and to check if the merge is correct.
For Step 9, just click Finish and Merge. Then click Edit Individual Documents. Make sure it is selected to all, then click OK. Now you have already created separate documents, including the individual letters that we merge. For the last step, all you have to do is save the file.
Alright, Mail Merge tutorial is now complete. You can now create your own documents involving multiple recipients with the help of Mail Merge. I hope this video helped you to save your time and to make your work easier.